There's a real life mouse in the box. Come on, Hex, get him. Kick it. Are you gonna come over here and help? I'm scared he's gonna jump out at my feet. Okay, get ready, Hex. Okay, get ready. Where'd it go? There it is. There he is. Oh, he's just a little guy. Hex, let's put him outside. Come on, get out. Let's put him outside. Oh! You should stay in the box, little guy. Oh, okay. Oh, he's gonna get out. Hex, let's put him outside. Come on. Get out of the box.